Here is a demonstration with from limitedresources.us of how to replace a faulty LED sensor from a coin acceptor. Sometimes you'll find that these will fall out during shipping, and or maybe if somebody throws in too many coins, jams it up, bangs on the machine from the outside, these may fall out. So what we're going to do is we'll show you how to replace these. It's about 6 millimeters by 18 millimeters the part. And what you do is, here is a typical coin acceptor, and you can just use two fingers to open up the acceptor. And here you can see that there is three sensors. One, two, and three. So this is the third one that's fallen out. It's easy enough. It's a piece of plastic, and what we do is we simply insert it back into the holder. Oh, let's try that again. Should go nice slowly. Just like that. Push it in with your finger, and there you have it. The acceptor is back in. So you have the one up there, could possibly have fallen out, 2 and 3, but most likely we find like the third coin acceptor from the bottom usually falls out. It's easy enough to put back in. So there you have it. Close it up. There's the coin acceptor, and you're done.